Now, I've got a bunch of Busketeers helping me judge the ultimate chicken nugget. How tasty is that crunch? It's flipping crunch delicious, people. I love chicken nuggets, but I don't eat them, and you know why? Problem is, you never feel good about eating chicken nuggets. You're always wondering about the chicken, you know they're not good for you. The best thing to do is make your own. The question is, what recipe to use for your chicken nuggets? Well, here at the Food Busker Institute of Chicken Research, we've been looking into the matter. The first question here at the Institute we asked ourselves is, should it be whole chicken or mince? The difference is consistency. To test texture, we need to taste it. So we've got one minced chicken and one whole chicken. Let's slice them up and taste them.
Round one, fight!
This is the minced chicken. You can kind of see that it's got holes all the way through it and that it's kind of got layers. You can see that this is just one consistent piece of breast meat. Minced chicken. It's good. There's taste there. Now let's try the chicken chunk. Different consistency. To be honest, it's moister. With the mince, it doesn't really add anything to the party. McDonald's mince all their chicken. They do that for portion control so they can just get exactly 20 grams out of each chicken nugget. And there's only like 3 or 4 shapes of chicken nuggets that come out of McDonald's. Whole chunks of chicken, it's just better.
You win!
Batter or a coating like breadcrumbs?
Round two, fight!
Now you see that breadcrumb nugget, it had more crunch. Okay, let's try the batter. It's crunchy, it's really nice. I think the key is you need a light batter, something with tempura, made with soda water or mineral water, so it makes it nice and light. The problem is, if you're doing a batter, it's hard to keep it warm. It goes soggy really fast, and if you're doing it for lots of people, it's going to be tricky. For me, I think breadcrumbs is it's better. A dry coating is crunchier, and to be honest, you could bake it as well as fry it. But what happens if you haven't got breadcrumbs?
You win!
Crackers are really good. Anything that is super dry. You just put it into a blitzer, blitz it down, and you get this really great crumb. That's a great coating for any sort of chicken. The problem is it's no mega improvement on the breadcrumbs. I want something with tons of flavour. Get some potato chips. The potato chip is perfect as a coating. Get your favourite crisps in the UK or potato chip in the US. Oh, so naughty, and that's going to go all over your chicken. Use your favourite crisps, put it on, and Bob's your uncle. You're going to have incredible chicken nuggets. Those crisps, or potato chips if you will, are the thing that are going to make your chicken nuggets take them up to the next level. Now it's time to prep the chicken. The chicken. Make sure you get some good stuff, not the crap. I got this from Ginger Pig, so I know that it's been looked after and it's really good meat. Let's cut them into nice chunks and then I'm going to flavour them. Now before we penne the chicken, we're going to put the chicken into flour first, and we want to get some flavour into that flour. So salt, don't put too much salt in because you're using your potato chips which are quite salty. Then some pepper, get that in. Now, the two other elements that are going to really help this is garlic granules. Garlic just goes so well with chicken, and it's such a cheat to use garlic powder to get flavour in there. So you want a good dusting of garlic powder, and then this is the way I like to do it. I want to get some smoked paprika in there because I want that smokiness and I want that slight hum of heat. So just a dusting of smoked paprika. Mix all that in. And now chicken into flour, into egg wash, into potato chips. make sure that they are super crunchy, we're going to double dip them. So back into the egg wash and then back into the potato chips. Chicken nuggets are ready. Let's get it into oil that's at 180, should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken nuggets done. Look, just look at that, the contrast. Oh, mate. Oh, the moistness of the chicken, and it's now taken on that flavour of the garlic and the paprika, but the crunch is flipping crunch-delicious, people. Right, how much? Let me finish. Oh, so good. Right, so I reckon it's gonna be, let's say, 4 chicken nuggets. What do you think it's worth? What would you pay? Hang on, hang on. Right, come on, clear off, you've got to go over there. Come on. Busketeers. Coming down all the time now. What do we reckon? What do we reckon? How much? 4 quid. 4.50, sod it, 4.50 for 4 chicken nuggets. Now, if you're loving what we're doing, subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, throw a dog a bone. And people, if you're in town, come down and get involved and increase the peace and spread the love. Right, let's take it to the streets. Just look at that flipping chicken. How tasty is that? Right guys, back in. Let's see how we get on. Right, take a seat, take a seat. So this is the ultimate chicken nuggets. I want you to take a piece, take a bite, ladies first, and tell me what you think.
It's good. Tasting Doritos.
Yeah? So you're getting the coating, you're definitely getting that.
A bit of tang.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, the coating's really nice and crispy. Like they're juicy in the middle as well.
Awesome, awesome. Okay.
Tender, very crispy.
Tender, very crispy. I like it. Okay. So what do you think it's worth?
6.
£6.
Yeah.
$5.50.
£5.50. He's taking a stand there. He's making a stand. £5.50.
I'm going for 5.
5. It just got worse. Bloody hell. It's good though. 3-0. It's totally conclusive. These are the ultimate chicken nuggets. Increase the peace and spread the love.